Example 4 here gives us a circle with the center h and the radius of 7 feet and a central angle of 335 degrees. So we are supposed to find the length of the minor arc LV. So let's draw a picture. So the picture of the circle looks something like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. The center, capital H. The central angle is 135. So maybe it's going to be something like this. This is 135. And we are supposed to find the length of this minor arc, LV. So I'm going to shade it in the green here, just for you guys to see. A little more clearly, I should say. So this is the minor arc that we got to find the length of. You know, same as usual, because the central angle is given in degree form, we are supposed to use the first form, or first version of the formula of arc length of a circle, which is the one that says central angle theta over 360 right here. So we use this one. So we can say length of the minor arc LV is equal to the central angle, aka the measure of the minor arc LV, which is 135 degree over 360. We multiply that by the formula for the circumference of the circle, which is 2 times pi times the radius, but we know the radius is 7 feet. So I'll multiply that by 7. I should have named this at 7 feet, and this is 7 feet. So those are the two identical radii, but for me it's just a matter of algebra. So let's see. Let's simplify 135 over 360 a little bit. So I know that simplifying 135 over 360, I know that the greatest common factor that both 135 and 360 degrees share is 45. So 135 divided by 45 is going to give us 3. 360 divided by 45 is going to give us 8. So 135 over 360 is going to give us 3 over 8 as this simplified form. 2 pi times 7 is going to be 14 pi. But let's see, 14 pi is going to give us 42 over pi, but yeah, 42 over 8 times pi. 4 goes into 8, not into 42. So we can only simplify it now by 2. So 42 has the greatest common factor of 2. And 8 also has the greatest common factor of 2. So 42 divided by 2 is going to give us 21. 8 divided by 2 is going to give us 24. So 21 over 4 pi feet is the length of this minor arc. And if you want to convert it into a mixed number, just recognize the fact that 4 goes into 21, the maximum of 5 times. Keep the denominator 4. 5 times 4, 20, the numerator 21, minus the product 20 is going to give us the remainder of 1, and then pi feet. This is equivalent to this improper fraction.